So making a dynamic banner inside Dynapictures using Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. Super easy. You make a template. So this is just one of the stock templates that we're using here. I took out stuff that's not really relevant. You basically have a name, a price for the product, and a banner image, right? Like the image that you want to use. Come into your API console first off, and you want to take this block of code, you copy, you drop it into your text editor of choice. I'll just drop it in lower on here because I kind of did this already. Take out all the parameters you don't need. In this case, the canvas, the frame, the background. I'm not changing any of that stuff. The image, I'm going to change, but only the URL. So I don't need to really add all this fun stuff in here. Make sure you take out that comma. And the price, same deal. Take out all the extra parameters you don't care about, and the extra comma, and the product name. I also added, you can see here, I added a metadata field. So I'm going to take this and the comma above it, and I'm going to put it down here. And this metadata field is just going to carry along some information we're going to need later on. So include it, just make sure it's outside of this parameters array. You put the comma, and then you add another JSON object inside here. You take this whole thing. Then you come into your Google Sheet, product name, image, price, and this banner is going to be empty because obviously we don't have a banner yet. You set this all up here. You use the Pabbly Connect webhooks plugin. Then you come over to Pabbly, grab the webhook that comes out of that plugin. I can go into it, but there's a million videos from Pabbly showing how to do this, so I'm just going to leave that for now. The action is a custom request API. Post, the endpoint URL is this right here. And you're going to need your bearer token, and that comes from here, account. And then just copy and paste this block of JSON into your request and substitute out all the pieces. So image URL, you want to take your image URL from step 1, name, price, you're going to take that, the product name is here, and the metadata, again, I'm going to use the product name, only so I can match this up later on. You'll see what I mean. Save and send a save and send a test request. It gives you the output from Dynapictures. Then you're going to make another Google Sheets node. It's going to go to the same sheet that you have going on here. You're going to look up in column A, you're going to look up the product name, because in this sense, there's the product name is the unique one. What we want to do is, I mean, if you have a SKU, it's a million times better than this, but in this example, we don't, so I'm just using product name. So I'm looking up, it's basically saying which row is small white hoodie in column A. And in this case, it's 2. So when you, let me save and send a test. We'll redo that one for a sec. I gotta run through here. Whatever. Point is, it's going to come back with 2 when we run it through. Then the last one is update the cell value. And we're going to say we want to update row D, or column D, in the same row that has this product name, the one that we matched earlier. So it's D, and then the response from the row index. And the value you want to put into that cell is the outputted URL. Super easy. And now you can just kind of populate your spreadsheet. So let's just grab the medium white hoodie option right there, and the large white hoodie. Well, let's go blue. You can see it's already updated the previous step. We're going to wait a few more seconds for this one to come in. And there you go. So if I open this image, large blue hoodie for $16 with a picture of the hoodie. Large blue hoodie, there's the picture, there's the price. Can't get any easier than that.